guys, TechTales is back with another video. Did you like what you just saw? Well, you're in luck. CSI Week is here with its workshops on Android and AR. You might be wondering how these workshops help you.
मैं बताता हूँ. CSI workshops aim to provide you with knowledge about concepts which are often overlooked in mainstream curriculums. These workshops build a solid foundation by making you familiar with the basics of a vast subject.
The workshops will be taken by Innoviance Technologies, an industry leader with experience in conducting workshops. Innoviance Technologies almost exclusively conducts workshops only with IITs and NITs, but this year they are coming to DJ College. Additionally, certificates will be provided by Innoviance Technologies in association with IIT Varanasi. How cool is that?
काफी. So, what exactly is AR? AR or augmented reality, it adds to your vision. It is an enhanced version of reality created by adding digital images to your surroundings. Let's take an example. Applications like Pokemon Go and Snapchat filters are excellent examples of AR. AR technologies uses your smartphone or tablet cameras to show you a view of the real world in front of you. Then, they put in layers consisting of text or images on top of these views to enhance it. AR displays can offer something as simple as screen overlays which are showing the time, or they can show something as complicated as holograms which are floating in the middle of your screen.
That's it from us today, guys. This is DJCSI signing off. Make sure to like, share, subscribe and comment if you haven't yet. Until next time.